model, 67-plate Peugeot Partner Professional L1 Blue 1.6 HDI starts runs slight issue no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 120418. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FD, BHY-B. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs fine, but the Cambelt had snapped on this. Somebody has replaced the Cambelt, but it has done some head valve damage. There is popping from intakes, still starts and drives. Simple repair if you know what you're doing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper,